What's going on, YouTube family? We back with another one, another banger. Yes, we back. How y'all doing? What's going on? Hope y'all blessed. As always, y'all, we here to talk about comfort and always quality versus quantity, comfort versus style. Comfort versus style. Now, hands down, look, I work a 10 to 12 hour shift 5 days out the week, and comfort is my friend. Now, I don't know about y'all, but when I find something comfortable, I kind of tend to go with that style of shoe. But it is what it is. I know one thing: Jordans ain't comfortable, and it ain't not one pair of Jordans comfortable because they ain't got no cushion in them. But we're not here to talk about that. We talk about comfort versus style. Comfort versus style. Comfort versus style. And the first shoe up is, I don't even know, like, to be honest, like what these is even called. Like Nike Pegasus Trail 3 GORE-TEX. I needed some great work shoes, and I think these would be great. Just some whatever they is, man. Y'all know the big orange box. Let's get into it. Bam, 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 bam. So yeah, I am always talk about comfort and how shoes should be comfortable as you wear them. And I mean, when I tell you these black on blacks, they got a bunch of different colors in these. I got black on black because of work, and I need something to work in. And like I said before, it's all about comfort. Bam, bam, bam. I like that GORE-TEX in the front that's written up there. It's a lot to this shoe. This is I don't know, it's just an all-weather shoe, man. It fits you like a sock around the ankle. And yeah, man. I ain't want to dig into these too much. Kind of like that bottom grip, good for this type. If you're in the Midwest, this type of weather that's going on, we got rain, sleet, the snow, slush everywhere, muddy. It's a great shoe. GORE-TEX. It said promises to keep your feet wet. We shall see. We shall see. But yeah, something neat, something new, just something to wear every day. Like I said, something to throw on, something to go with. And comfort. Comfort versus style. Comfort versus style. So yeah. That's one up out the way. And stop by my favorite store. Copped a couple. Just copped a couple. Seen what they had in the store. Just lollygag my way in there. Hey, what are those? We got that Detroit hat straight off the rip. Man, the South Beach color vibes. You know what it is, man. This is a new era. And yeah, man, South Beach. Yeah, this is like I said, this is a cold hat, man. The colors is blue with them colors in it, man. Y'all know. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see it, man. It's like I said, this is a cold hat. That underneath brim with that gold, with that, I don't know what to call that. That teal looking underneath the brim, Yeah. How we looking? Yeah. All right. And we have to keep it going. Shout out to the 305. And we kept it going with that the Miami Heat boy. That hardwood classic. Look, man. Different. Shout out to Mitchell and Ness. You know what I'm saying? Black ownership, Black History Month, all that good stuff. Black ownership. Y'all see it. Mitchell and Ness. Owned by them black boys over there. Mitchell and Ness. I like this patch on the side. Dope patch on the side. Like I said, that Miami Heat. You know what I'm saying? It was something I ain't seen in a while. I ain't never seen that Miami Heat like this though. But yeah, you got it on the brim. I keep these on for the next one. I don't know. We gonna keep the other one on. But yeah, that baby blue under the brim. I just said it. Like I said, it's a dope hat. Mitchell and Ness. Shout out to Liz, man. Shout out to Liz for the plug. So what I really wanted to bring y'all into this video is to show y'all these. Like I said before, it's comfort versus style. And yeah, stop by them boys. You know what I'm saying? I would have did a mall vlog, but it just was too much going on. I ain't feel like recording. And you know, just stop by, got some stuff, and yeah. Y'all see it. Y'all know this box. Y'all know this box. Y'all know this box, man. I know this box. Yeah. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Bam. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. Let's get into it. I ain't gonna hold y'all up. Let's get into it. So I'm gonna show y'all a couple things and keep it moving, man. Bam. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. What are these? What are these? We have the Huaraches with what's the color? What's the color? Before I even show y'all how to shoe, the whole shoe. Wash teal and marina white and black. As y'all know, Huaraches do run small, so if you can go a half size bigger, go a half size bigger. This is a 11.5 true to size. They ain't had no 12s. I already got a 12, but I'm fine with that. Thinner sock, no sock at all. I'll be straight with these. But yeah, that marina blue on this, man. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I don't know. Do I kind of go with that somehow? Can I pull that off? I can pull that off. I think I can. Yeah, I can pull that off. Anyways, yeah, you know, I think this is a dope shoe. Like I said, we getting ready for that spring weather and all that good stuff. Speaking into existence, man. Speaking into existence. But we getting ready for that. That Nike Athletic Club on the toe there. This is a different type of tongue. Material, man, I don't even know. It's like some the leather's nice on this, I could tell you that much. I like the real soft leather. I like the Huarache written on the side there. And yeah, man, yeah. Nike Athletic Club. I don't know if y'all be able to see that in the inside, but Nike Athletic Club in there. But yeah. Dope shoe. It's like some terry cloth or something right here material. But yeah, it's not your regular material on the toe there, if y'all can see. Different material, and yeah, man. This is a dope shoe, man. This is a dope shoe. Like I said, comfort over style. Any day, I'm taking it, hands down, period. It's a lot of Jordans and stuff dropping. I don't even care that the Jordans dropping. I love threes, but threes is uncomfortable. And that's it. I'm a sneakerhead, a real sneakerhead. I'm just not going with just one brand or just one style. I am a true sneakerhead, and when you a true sneakerhead, it's all about comfort sometimes. And this shoe, comfort-wise, is a great shoe. Like I said, they do run small though, so get you a half size bigger. If you want a tight shoe around your foot, go with your regular size, but it do run small, and you would know I run small because the back heel would be all the way out like that. But needless to say, hey, this your boy Blacked Out Kicks coming to you with another one for that ass. Hey, stay blessed, be blessed, and always find a way to get your blessings. Yo, we out.